Hello guys, this is Steven again. So for another tutorial for GHL. Okay, so as you can see here, we're gonna be teaching. I'll be teaching you about this carousel, so that if you want to impress your client or if you want to improve your funnel, your portfolio, you can add this to your animation. Okay, so to do this, first you need to go to your high level account. Okay, so I'm using Funnel Pro and okay. Prerequisite. Before you start, you need to make sure that you already have a picture that you would be using for the carousel. Okay, so mine, I've done it in Canva. So I have black and white, but if you want, you can go for colored or whatever picture it is that you would like to use, that will do. Okay, so save this as PNG. Then after that, go to Funnel Pro or to your GHL account. Then click on site. Before that, click on media storage. Okay, because we would need to save those picture first inside GHL. Then click on upload. That will be on the upper right. And then once you click on upload, just select the pictures that you would like to add. As for me, I already have added it here under logo. Okay, now that you already have a picture here, you will need a code. Okay, so for this code, I'll be providing this to you. Um, okay, I'll be teaching you how to use this code. So first, the first thing that you have to do is go to the picture and then click these three dots and then get link. Okay, once you have the link, you need to go to your code. So as you can see, paste your logo link here. So you have to remove that and then paste your logo link. After you paste your logo link, you'll notice that logo name here. Okay, so you just have to delete that logo name here and then replace it with the name of the picture. So this is just for reference. You can actually delete this part, but I just want to add it so that I will not be confused on which link I already have added. System. Okay, so one down and then next one. So I'll be copying again. Click on the link, copy, and then paste it here again. So simple as that. After that, then you have to delete and then click Jita. So all you have to do is fill up all the pictures, uh, picture link, and then the label, and then you would have to do that again or the duplicate set for seamless loop so that it will look seamless. So you can copy everything and then just copy here and paste it here. Okay, or you can also do it manually again. So remove this part and then paste it with the link. Okay, so as for me, I already have done that. So as you can see, this is the link and then this is the label. Link and then this is the label. Okay, after that, copy everything and then go back to GHL. Now you need to go to the site. Okay, so either you're working on a website or funnel, both will do. So open the funnel that you're working with, then click on edit. So what you need to do here is it's either you add it on the existing section, for example here, or you can add another element and then add a new section. So let's add a new section. Once you have a new section, click on add and then look for code. Okay, code. So you already have a code here. Just click on it and then on the right side, you will see open code editor. So you just have to paste the code and then click on save. Once you click save, make sure that you save it here again and then publish. Okay, so just wait for it. Okay, and then after that, publish so that it will be applied. Okay, then let's do a preview on how does it look like. Okay, so I have the first part here, and then I also have it here below. Okay, that's it guys for this tutorial. If you want to learn some more in funnel building animation, just let me know so that we can create a tutorial for you. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.